Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Courtney Grayson, a natural stylist and loctician. I educate you all over here on YouTube with lock care tips, but today I'm back with a retwist video on my client. I started her locks about 8 months ago, so today we're retwisting her hair for her birthday. So here we are, just going in with the wash. I do 2 shampoos as well as a conditioner, so I won't talk too much because I know that you all enjoy these. And real quick, I'm using Sea Breeze on her scalp because she has dandruff and she had some flakes there. So this is just going to help kind of loosen those up and really get them out. So when I shampoo, they're gone. I love that I get this good lather. She actually washed her hair a couple weeks before, so it was a little clean, and that's why it lathered up really good the first time. I'm still going to go in with that second one because I want to make sure that we're really cleansing her scalp and really getting it out of there. I love to use Head and Shoulders shampoo. This is actually not Head and Shoulders, but that's good for dandruff if you've experienced that. She and I talk a lot and laugh a lot, and we're just loud, so I didn't even leave the audio in here, but enjoy that. Here is the conditioner, and I'm rinsing that out, and we're going to get ready for this retwist. There she is. Look, my clients be so excited to be on YouTube, so show her some love. I'll put her link to her TikTok down in the description, so go ahead and show her some love. So I'm using Pop Don't Stop here to moisturize her hair after the wash. So we're using an LOC method, and that liquid is the water and some of that conditioner that we used in her hair. And then I'm going in with the Pop Don't Stop, which still could be considered that liquid or, the C within LCO. A little really does go a long way with this product, and that's why I'm able to continuously spread it throughout her hair, even though I only grabbed a little bit. If you've ever used this product, you already know that it can stand on its own. So I love using that right before I retwist, and it appeared to have a white cast as you saw before, but it moisturized and just dissolved within her hair, and so it's no longer visible. Here I'm just starting off a retwist. I'm going to clip it down. I love to clip it down really smooth, especially on these starter locks, just to help them take shape and lay the way that I want them to. It's going to help with that flatter base that I want for her barrel twist in the end by clipping them down. Obviously making sure that it's not painful. I'm constantly asking my clients, does this hurt? Is it painful? Is anything uncomfortable that you want me to loosen up? Just because we don't want too much tension on their scalp. Retwisting in general, especially after a while. I think it might have been a month and a half for her. So, retwisting after so long can be a little painful or just make the scalp tender. So I like to ask a lot. And that just makes for a pleasurable experience for her. And, we don't need to create pain or too much tension to get it to look neat. It'll still look good. So I'm going to speed it up soon, and you'll just see me go through a time lapse, and I'll stop talking. I use mousse on the edges and strips to lay the edges down. My client went into the dryer usually for 30 minutes, and then here you see me taking her clips down to prepare her for styling. As you can tell by me not really twisting down to the ends while I'm retwisting her hair, it still gives her that curly end look that she wants. She wants to keep that, so I like to leave those alone. Here I'm using Believe It's Butter and just going through, adding some of that for that shine and to further lock in all the moisture that we've added to her hair today. And then I went in with Ooh Baby in order to kind of treat those areas at the front where she normally experiences the most dandruff. Also sprinkled a little bit in the back, and a little goes a long way, so I just used my finger pads to spread it throughout the scalp. Really clean retwist. I'm just showing you what it looks like before we start styling. Really clean. And yes, let's get into these barrels. If you all want a more detailed video on how to achieve barrels, I can definitely do that. But obviously this is sped up some. Trying to make sure that I'm getting her hair flat. But again, this audio is not there, but I'm constantly asking if anything is too tight or anything. And most of my clients are like, yeah, it's fine. And y'all, my wrist, first of all, you want to see that this brace is on wrong because it's actually a brace for the right wrist. I left my brace at home, just putting that in there. I don't even know. I don't know if y'all gonna ask or wonder, but so I had to just kind of make it work with the right one. And yeah, my wrist, it hurts. So can you go ahead and just, like this video, share it, comment, engage. Maybe if my YouTube continues to build, I can have a little break. But I truly, truly, truly thank you all for the support that you've given me so far. I'm so excited to be on this YouTube journey and just, following something that I've thought about for so long and actually saw to it to do it. While she's noticing her hair, she's like, my locks are getting thicker because these aren't laying as flatter anymore. The wig install still, they look good. She sent me a picture, so I'm going to throw them in here and just, so y'all can see. It still looked pretty good as far as like how flat it was and everything. But yes, as your locks mature, they get more solid and they're not going to lay as flat. So that's definitely something to keep in mind. But you definitely don't want to have to up the tension just to get it flat. So I'm just going in with some more Ooh Baby on some parts that might be exposed. We got to get that shine, when we walking out the salon. That scalp needs to be glistening within that sun. Thank you. And so we're going to add a little bit more. This is also going to heal her scalp in the process as well. Doing this with one hand is a little awkward, but we're making it work. And that oil feels so good, y'all. It feels so good. Yes. She has a little weak spot in the front, if you all noticed that. And really, it's from some tension of the styles and also wigs. So give those a break, y'all. I ain't even gonna get on my soapbox about that. But thank you all so much for watching. I really, really, really appreciate your support on my channel. And I will keep these retwist videos coming. Let's get it. I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.